Cleaning Validation Master Plan, CVMP. Structure of a Cleaning Validation Master Plan. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Introduction. Creating a Cleaning Validation Master Plan, CVMP, is a foundational element of any GMP-compliant pharmaceutical cleaning validation program. The CVMP provides a roadmap and framework for all cleaning validation activities in the facility. Cleaning Validation Master Plan Template. 1. Title page. Document title. Cleaning Validation Master Plan. Facility name and address. Document and revision number. Approval signatures. QA, validation and production. 2. Table of contents. Auto-generated in Word for easy navigation. 3. Objective. Define the purpose and rationale for the cleaning validation program. Example. This CVMP outlines the strategy and approach for validating equipment cleaning procedures to ensure compliance with GMP and prevent cross-contamination. 4. Scope. Define areas, equipment, products, and cleaning procedures covered. Example. Applies to all manufacturing, granulation, blending, and packaging equipment at XYZ Pharmaceuticals used in the production of solid oral dosage forms. 5. Responsibilities. QA. Review/approve validation protocols and reports. Validation team. Prepare protocols, execute studies, analyze results. Production. Execute cleaning operations and maintain documentation. QC. Perform and document sample analysis. 6. Equipment and product matrix. List of all equipment and product combinations that need cleaning validation. Example table. Equipment ID. EQ G001. Equipment type. Granulator. Products used. Product ABC. Cleaning type. Manual. Campaign limit. 3 batches. 7. Cleaning procedures overview. Summarize cleaning SOPs, wet cleaning, CIP, dry cleaning, parameters and detergents used. 8. Acceptance criteria. Define residue limits based on MACO, toxicological, therapeutic dose, or 10 ppm, visual and microbiological criteria. Criteria. Visual cleanliness. Method. Visual check. Limit.
No visible residuo.
Criteria. Chemical residue. Method. HPLC/TOC. Limit. Based on MACO calculation. Criteria. Microbiological load. Method. Swab testing. Limit. Less than or equal to 10 CFU/swab for clean surfaces. 9. Sampling methods. Swab sampling for direct contact surfaces. Rinse sampling for complex or closed systems. Include diagrams or area maps as appendices. 10. Analytical methods. List and reference validated methods, for example, HPLC, TOC, conductivity, with their LOD and LOQ. 11. Worst-case rationalization matrix approach. Describe how the worst-case products and equipment are selected using risk-based ranking. Factors considered. Toxicity, PDE, solubility, batch size, difficulty to clean, cleanability of equipment. 12. Validation strategy. Define how validation will be executed. Number of runs, typically 3. Campaign strategy if used. Bracketing and grouping. Revalidation triggers, for examples, new product, equipment change. 13. Deviations and change control. Describe how deviations during cleaning validation will be managed and documented. 14. Documentation and reporting. Define documentation format, storage, and review responsibilities. 15. Training. All involved personnel must be trained in cleaning SOPs and sampling techniques. Training records are maintained. 16. Review and approval. Review cycle, for examples, biennial or after major changes signature blocks for QA production validation. Optional appendices. Appendix A, equipment list. Appendix B, product list with cleaning categories. Appendix C, macro calculation examples. Appendix D, sampling diagrams. Appendix E, cleaning SOP references. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.